as Shopify seller will meet problems like how to find supplier, where to stock up product, which courier is fast and cheap. Don't worry, this will be handled by Easygull. Easygull provides one-stop order fulfillment to any size Shopify business, helping fulfill orders efficiently with running warehouses in China. You just connect Shopify store to us. When customer places order, you sync it to us. We buy it from 1688, Taobao and other local platforms, even factories for bulk order. After goods arrive at one warehouse, we ship it from China to your worldwide customers directly. Marketed as fulfilled in your store automatically. Wholesalers can stock up them in our warehouse totally free. It saves more time and maximizes your profits with leaving picking, packing, warehousing, and shipping to us. That's Easygull. Focus on China's supply chain and solve problem for Shopify seller.